Welcome! So on behalf of our school principal, Mrs. Andy Soarla Pasana, and our SSG advisor, Miss Marilu C. Barredo, I am Miss Mara Danica V. Ramos, your junior high school guidance designated teacher. So why are we conducting this webinar? It is based from the Resilience Toolkit given by the Far Eastern University entitled Building Resilience in the Time of Crisis. So what are its objectives? So first, it is to identify steps or ways on how to build the resilience of Filipino adolescents in time of crisis. Second is to impart skills among Filipino adolescents on how to build resilience during crisis. And third is to appreciate the values learned from the steps applied in building resilience in the time of crisis. So we hope that these three objectives are to be embodied in the 10 tools to be demonstrated by our SSG officers. So let's watch and learn. So again, I am Miss Mara Danica V. Ramos, your junior high school guidance designated teacher. We share because we care.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia and today is your 4th day with the best of the best season size SSG man. I'm the school's SSG PIO and for today we're gonna talk about connection. Hindi yun. Ibang connection to. Mas matindi. Pag-uusapan natin is better connections. Connection inside our homes. So what is connection ba? Ang connection is something na we feel through marriage, kinship, or common interest. Like, it is a relation of personal intimacy. Like, feeling mo, di ba, parang pag may nakita mo yung crush mo, uy, guys, feeling ko connected ako sa kanya. Ganon, di ba? Ayun yung connection natin. So, parang sa family natin, yung connected tayo kay daddy, kay mommy, kay brothers, di ba? It's an invincible alliance where minds meet, have mutual understandings, and is characterized by agreement or empathy. So, ayun nga, alam niyo naman yung connection eh. Ayun yung nadadama natin. Para siyang, strings na naka-attach to people around us na hindi natin nakikita. Pero we are drawn to them, di ba? Connection. Connection is very vast, guys. So, we've narrowed it down sa family connection. Alright? Alright. So, we all know naman na homes are our first schools. Like, in here, in our house, we learn to eat, read, stuffs that build our personalities, our confidence, our likes and dislikes, manners, and etc. Diba? So, you connect by socializing, and in this way, your family grows stronger. Kasi diba, you all get to connect and enjoy each other's company. So, you all know na connection ha. Kasi, ang dami ko nung sinabi kapag di nyo po naintindihan yan. So, huwag kayong malis, Don't be bored kasi I have something for you guys. Balaga! Tada! Balaga! Yeah, we have an activity just like for schools, yo! For schools, please! So, first things first, get your materials muna. Materials is colored pens or whatever. Colored yan. Pang-color, tsaka pen. It's ball pen din siya. Yan. Kailangan mo kunin yung creativity skills. Ano pong ginagawa mo? Kunin mo na! Ayan, nakuha mo na. Goods. Mga sunuring bata. So, simple lang naman yung gagawin natin. Kukunin nyo yung ballpen and bond paper nyo. Yan, so, wala akong makapal na pentel. Kaya ballpen na makapal na. Kunin yun. Tapos draw kayo ng bahay. Ito guys, table. Bed table. Bili sa Shopee mo naman. Tapos drawing kayo ng bahay na sobrang laki, meron siyang 5 bintana. So yung bintana dapat malalagyan siya ng space Like masusulatan, may space siya. So ano, yung bahay. Tada! Bangit! Walang, ayan guys. Wait lang. Pagandahin ko. Tada! Kita niyo yung windows. Ayan o. Tapos ito yung pinto. 2 doors. Kasi mayaman tayo eh. Dami yung bahay. Sarang pinto yun. So ito yung bubong. Temper. Tapos ito ako. Sa gilid. Ito ako. Naka-skirt. Lagyan akong buhok. Yan. Ito ako. Ito ako as me. Naka-skirt. And naka-hair. So, yan! Tada! We done, guys. We done. So, no need to be pretty, Ano lang to, parang reminder mo lang sa sarili mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan ipa-frame to. So, yan. Natapos mo na yung windows mo. Mayroon tayong 5 steps sa activity na to. So, sa unang window, write something that you think you can do to build a strong, healthy, and harmonious relationship for your family. So, isip ka ng bagay na feeling mo magpapatibay pa sa sa pamilya mo. Like for example, example sa akin. Me and my family going to church every Sunday. For me kasi, my family, feeling ko, mas nagiging stronger kami kapag sama-sama kami nagsisimba every Sunday. It's a thing na we do na ever since I was born. Like, ayun yung solid base niya para sa pamilya namin. Kasi si God, siya yung nagsusuporta sa amin. It's our common ground. Common ground, man. With you can write something like playing games or yung singing together, yung mga ganun, barbecue night, mag-reach kayo, di ba? Like, cinema night, movie night, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Parang mabad kayo lalo. Tapos, ayan yung drawing. Hindi nyo na makikita. Lalagyan ko ng simbahan. Yan. Yan, simbahan. Mga sementeryo. RIP na lang kulang eh. Simbahan yan, simbahan. Next naman is write something na you observe in your family na you think is not good and healthy sa family's relationship. Yung napapansin mo na hindi maganda or parang tradition yun na feeling mo hindi maganda ganyan. Like, sa akin example. For example, ako ulit, kasi akong bida dito. Overuse ng gadgets. Wanna know why? Kasi, kapag kami dito, pag sama-sama kami minsan, na lang sila, sarili-sariling mundo ba kayo? Pag upo ko lahat, nakasulong kahit sila mga sila. Hindi nagising ko. Kasi diba, hindi siya healthy. They have their own little world. And wala kaming bonding time. Sarili-sarili lang, kanya-kanya. So, yun yung nilagay ko. Lagyan ko ng drawing. Yan, tignan nyo. Overuse ng gadgets. Ayan na. Tada! Diba? Artistic. That's my art, man. Mga magpapakomisyon dyan. The third window, express what you feel about your observation kanina Write down your feelings and express them in an honest and respectful manner. Siyempre, sa family natin to, kaya kailangan respectful tayo. So, yung akin, yung feelings ko doon sa pag-overuse nila ng gadgets is sad, boy. Yeah, for real sad kasi I feel left out, diba? So, ayoko nun. Ayoko nang ganun. Gusto ko, bilong ako lagi. Pamilya ko ito eh, syempre. Yan. So, ano drawing ko dito? I feel left out. Sad. Tada! Ayala ko, ito ako. Tapos ayun yung pamilya ko. I'm left out, man. Sakit, man. Hindi ako bilong. So, kayo, sulat nyo, post nyo yung video. Sulat nyo yung ano sa inyo. Sa fourth window, write down your needs based on your observations and feelings. So, yung needs mo, pwede siyang materialistic or not. Kunyari, ako yung needs ko lang naman dito is, they stop doing it and give me attention din. Yan, di ba? So, parang ano, happy lagi, lahat kami. Ayun o. Oh. Ayan, lahat happy face. Lahat happy face. Ayan o. Lahat masaya kasi lahat na naglalaro. Gusto nyo maglaro ng PUBG, 5 tayo, hindi ikaw lang. Ganun. Like, pero syempre yung sa inyo, pwede namang hindi ganito. Like, pwede siyang materialistic. In a way na kunyari gusto mo na TV para magkaroon kayo ng mga movie night, ganun. Pabili ka ng TV sa nanay mo. Nay, gusto ng TV para tayong maging stronger relationship. Lastly, express your request na. Like, sabihin mo na sa kanila, like, kunyari, live tayo TV. Baka masampal ka ng nanay mo pag sinabi mo yun. Ako pa masisi mo. Pero, seryoso guys, tell them in a respectful manner. Pag po kayo ganun, tapos be open-minded sa mga decisions nila kung ano may gusto. Kasi mali mo, gusto ng TV, wala pa lang kwarta. Diba? Hindi pa nagpapadala si Papa. Express your feelings na, no? No gadgets anymore. Yan, no gadgets in bonding time. Simple as that. Kasi yun yung gusto ko sabihin. So, ayun. Ayun, sabihin mo sa kanila kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano ba yung feeling mo. So, pagkatas mo sa sulatan, sagutan, pwede ka nang maglagay ng design. Lagyan mo design. Paano pa pinang-wemble ng diba? Pen. Lagyan mo lalagay yung design. Tada! Have my pens told you I'm an artist. Papakomisyon kayo pag may color pen na kasama. Dagdag bayad. Tada! I put on bricks. Bricks sa bubok kasi be rich. Be rich, man. So, yan. Yan na, bahay namin. Ito kang pwede dagdag. Dadagdag ako bodyguard. Kasi mayaman kami. Yung ballpen ko. Si Manong. How do you draw bodyguard, man? Yan. Bodyguard. Ay, sinulat ko na. Hindi ko kayang ganun. Yung mga hot-hot. Hirap yun. So, yun guys. Tada! Frame nyo siya sa ganyan, no? Frame yung ganyan. So, ayun guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. That's the end of our video. Sana naintindihan nyo yung connection. And, sana this will help you to have your family get stronger. So, that's it. Thank you for listening to my podcast. You can listen to me on Spotify and Apple Music. Comment down below and like or heart or wow the video for a longer life, pre. I-like mo to, pre. Pag di mo na-like, hindi ka magkakajowa. So, lagi niyong tatandaan, we share because we care. Season Sai cares. Love you. Bye-bye!
Hi! Let's watch this short video before we proceed to the next topic. Thank you and enjoy!
She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we're made of blind souls. She tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away. 'Cause cover girls don't cry after the face is made. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. She has dreams to be an envy, so she's starving. You know, cover girls eat nothing. She says beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. What's a little bit of hunger? I can go a little while longer. She fades away. She don't see her perfect. She don't understand she's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Oh, oh. So to all the girls that's hurting, let me be your mirror. Help you see a little bit clearer. The light that shines within. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. No better you than the you that you are. No better life than the life we're living. No better time for you to shine, you're a star. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. I'm Alisa. You can call me Ate or simply Ali, the SSG auditor. So guys, are you excited? Toolkit number 8 is all about contribution. So ano nga ba ang contribution? Ito ay ang pag-aambag ng tulong, talento, o kakayahan ng isang tao mapapinansyal, material, o moral support. And our objective today is to identify and develop on how to be a good example with or without internet and appreciate the value of becoming one. Kaya naman, we'll have this activity to contribute on our own simple ways to
inspire, encourage, motivate, and help people. This activity is called Pick a Vegetable Challenge. Ayan, kumakain ba kayo ng gulay? Sa mga kumakain ng gulay, very good kayo dyan. Pwede na kayo magjowa. Char, syempre may approval pa rin ang magulang nyo. At sa mga hindi, well, ngayon na ang tamang oras para kumain kayo ng gulay, lalo na't may pandemic. It's essential to our growth and a very nice way to boost our immune system. And maganda din siyang palaban sa virus. Actually, maraming benefits ang makukuha pag kumain ka nito. Kaya alamin natin ang ilan sa mga gulay sa pamamagitan ng pagkanta. Ano kayang kanta? Alam niyo ba yung Bahay Kubo? Kung alam niyo, tara na't kumanta.
Bahay kubo, kahit muntik, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Sikamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, kundol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pang labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay maraming linga.
Okay! Ngayong alam niyo na kung ano ang mga gulay sa Bahay Kubo, it's challenge time! So, these are the things you'll need. Grab your materials now and set everything already. So guys, are you ready? For our mechanics, first, pick and draw 10 vegetables from the song. Pwede ka rin naman mag-print or mag-cut out ng mga gulay basta included sa Bahay Kubo. So, I've already prepared it beforehand. Ayan, meron din tayong singkamas, patani, luya, upo, at mani. Ay mga best, alam niyo ba, ang tao parang talong. Sa umpisa pa lang, talo na. Ay naku, kaya kumain ka ng kalabasa upang magkaroon ka ng pag-asa. Hep, 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 huwag din kakalimutan ang bawang, sibuyas at kamatis para sangkap ng buhay mo ay kompleto na. Step number 2, kumuha ng kapirasong papel at etiket sa bawat gulay. Ay naku, kaya ito'y nasasaktan eh. Kasi kapirasong papel lang sa buhay mo, ang meron ka. Ayan, so ganito na ang mangyayari. I fold it into half para masulatan natin mamaya for step number 3. So step number 3. On the first 5 vegetables, you can write things you can contribute offline. Then, on the next 5 vegetables, you can write things you can contribute online. Step number 4, draw or create a mini basket for the vegetables. So, I have here 2 baskets, one for offline contribution and one for my online contribution. So, here it is, one for online contribution and one for offline contribution. Then lastly, we should pick 1 vegetable a day and do the activity written in. Take note, isa-isa lang ha, huwag sabay-sabay, masama yun. So, I've choose this one, yung singkamas. So, yan. Help my grandmother sweep the floor. So, that's it guys. Remember, One small act of kindness, if put together, can make a big difference. Ikaw, ano makakontribute mo online and offline? Contribute now! Comment yours below! Thank you! We share because we care.